Legendary. Oh, hi, I'm down here. It's like Kilroy today. Okay, whatever. AC/DC's You Shook Me All Night Long. So great. I'm just going to break down the chorus riff for you here today. Check it out. Okay, on acoustic guitar, no less. Blasphemy. Okay, you may think the song is passé, but it kills at parties. So what we're going to do is basically move between a G chord, so your first finger's at the second fret of the A, and your second finger's at the third fret of the E, your ring fingers at the third fret of the B, and your fourth finger's at the third fret of the high E. And we're going to gradually walk that up the A string to a C add 9 chord. It's just like a miniature version of the G chord. If I could get that camera a little closer, maybe that'd be cool. Sorry for the shaky shakes. Okay, fine. Okay, great. To that C add 9, and then like you're walking it back down to the G, you put your index finger back on the second fret of the A string. And then you strike the open D string. So let me do just that much. G, so the bass note, and then the chord, and then A, B, C. I'm playing the A string, then the G string, then the top two strings. Let me show you that a little bit bigger. Like so. And then you're going to walk back down. And ready? Oh, to the D chord. So you switch right there and you play right here, open D. And when you play that open D, you release your fingers so you can form the D chord. And then you strike the top three strings. Let me show you the right hand of that. So. And then you just basically reverse the whole riff. And you keep going back and forth. Oh, boo-boo. There it is. There you have it. Just in time for my phone to tell me, or my watch to tell me my phone's ringing. Thank you for watching, and I hope that's helpful to you. Please, if you have questions or comments, put them in the comments. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, all that good stuff. Tell your mama. Bye!